This is a review of the Ryobi 18-volt stick vacuum cordless that I would definitely recommend. You can see here that we have all the things right here. That's the stick right there. That's the vacuum right over there. This is the suction where it traps in and takes all the dirt and debris as you vacuum. And this is right here is disassembled, but it's very easy to assemble this. All you have to do is pretty much attach this stick of this right over here, and then just snaps on like that, and then this attaches to on top of that right over here, and then right there the vacuum is ready to be made. And this is sold separately. This is the charger that you need to pretty much charge up your device for pretty much any Ryobi device you own. So it's any multi-Ryobi device, if it's a drill, anything that vacuum, pretty much anything that is from Ryobi, you need this to make the vacuum work and to turn it on and off. But yeah, I'm going to be putting all this together to show you guys how the vacuum is once I snap everything on. So I have the entire vacuum assembled. So pretty much this snaps to here. That snaps to pretty much right here. You'll hear a click sound. So once you hear that click sound, it's snapped on. And now I'm ready to vacuum. It comes with this as well too. And this is, like I mentioned, sold separately. So this attaches to the back of here towards the vacuum on the back of this. And once that will also be a snap. So once that snaps on too, you're ready to do, vacuum. And this is the on button right here, on and off button right here. This is your setting for pretty much if you're wanting to do it for your hard floors or your carpet. And this little one here is for your LED lights. So it comes with the LED flashlight that'll turn on and off whenever you want. And that's the button right here when you want to turn it off and on. But I'm going to be putting this on together to that, and we're going to be testing this vacuum to see how it goes. So I have this snapped on the portable battery charger on the back, which is sold separately like I mentioned, but we're going to test this out and turn it on. Right here is the on button, and then like I mentioned, this is the LED lamp, and that is for pretty much the eco mode. You could pretty much use this for your hard floor tiles, and also it's a mode to pretty much to tone it down to the sound. So it's like a lower setting as well too. But yeah, we're going to turn this on to show you guys how well this thing works. So you can see the right side is where it's cleaned. The left side is where it is uncleaned. And you can see the difference is pretty much, you can see that there is a lot of difference. The right side of it is pretty much darker, the carpet, and the light side, you can see it's like uncleaned. And you can see when I turn it on, it has the LED lamp, like when I turn it on. The third button used is to turn it off and on the LED lamp that comes provided, and you could turn it off and on if you're working in dark areas, and you could use that as an advantage to pretty much clean and vacuum. It does help when there's like dark lighting and you can't see, then the LED lamp that's what it's used for. The second button right here that I'm going to show you guys, like I mentioned, you can use this for your hard floors and also tiles as well too. And when I turn it on, it has to do two different settings. Then one is like a high mode and one is a low mode. So that's right there. It's like the low setting mode too. If it's like a light pressure you want to use, or you could use the other one, which is the heavy mode, and have it, vacuum up all the way for your carpets. But I'm going to move on to the tiles to show you guys how well it also cleans as well too.